Pneumatic conveying systems face a common challenge of wear. This happens as the conveyed material creates pressure and friction against the wall of the elbow, causing abrasion and making the operation unsafe and unreliable. This results in system downtime, lost productivity, and costly repairs. To minimize downtime and to reduce wear within your pneumatic conveying system, Progressive Products offers abrasion-resistant solutions that fit into your existing system. The Ceram-back elbow is a sweep elbow with a 1/2-inch hard ceramic compound, offering excellent protection for sliding abrasion. It can be used with other techniques such as taper boring, induction hardening, porcelain lining, and tungsten carbide lining. The cast ceramic flatback elbow is used for extremely abrasive applications. It uses a pipe or tube for the inner core substrate, which reduces wear caused by the outlet transition. The castback elbow offers the protection of a cast ceramic flatback elbow, but with a standard thicker tile and built-in side protection. This elbow is perfect for coarse, abrasive products with high impact and is more commonly used for food-grade applications. A cement back elbow is constructed like a hollow back elbow, except the cavity is filled with cement. These elbows are most popular within the cement industry. While cement is not the hardest of substances, it can still be quite effective in heavy industrial applications. The replaceable back elbow is a regular sweep elbow with welded sides and bolted onto the back. It can be enhanced with thicker plates on the back of the elbow or by using AR steel material. This elbow is great for mild abrasion problems. Progressive Products, your trusted partner in optimizing pneumatic conveying systems for over 40 years.